here we have 10 piezoelectric sensors connected in parallel. Okay, and the working of these piezoelectric sensors are like, if we tap them, energy is generated. When mechanical stress or vibrations are applied on it, they will generate that electricity, and this electricity can be shown here, and here we will get the final output of 5 volts.
Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Direct Technology. Today I am going to demonstrate project name Energy Generation from Footstep using Piezoelectric sensor. Or you can also name this project as Energy Generation from Walking. So in this project we will make soul. We'll use 3 piezoelectric sensors here, you can increase here also. And then piezoelectric sensors will give output to one LED. So I will show you hardware also right now. It is like this. So one connection here, one connection outside. And make all connections parallel. Because piezoelectric give very good amount of voltage, like around 6 volt, 10 volt, 15 volt also, sometimes they give press properly, and current is very low. So LED will glow when this is pressed. I will show you output also here. Okay, now let's get back to this. Then next we have 705 supply. Before that we are using one diode, 1N4007. This diode work is to give supply only to the forward direction, so that this won't come there. Okay. So first let me remove this 705 here. Now we will charge 2 batteries which are connected to series. So batteries here we have connected in series are of 4 volt, 4 volt, 4 volt. 4 plus minus plus minus. Plus minus here, and minus here, and plus here, and this plus here. Okay, so this is the connection. So what will happen now when this is pressed? These batteries will be charged. Okay, once the batteries are charged, now we will use 7805 IC. One IC is there, whose name is 7805, and its output is 5 volt. So we can add here C4 charging of phone, or you can use charge speaker, you can use one fan also, like if you are facing some heat. So you can use fan to cool yourself, or you can charge your phone in the pocket, you can charge that phone, and some component I will add here. One of the component is capacitor, 1000 microfarad, 36 volt for smoothing the input. Then we have 100 microfarad, 25 volt for smoothing the output. Then we have LED connected in parallel with 1 kilo ohm resistance, just to show that energy is here, energy reached here 5 volt. Why 5 volt? Because we have used this IC 705. It is 1 ampere IC, so it will give you 5 volt. Whatever is the input, what maximum input can be 6 to 35 volt, and it will always give you 5 volt. That's working of this IC. Okay, so this is complete circuit diagram of this project, and phone we can connect here with wire, and phone will charge. Okay, let's see output of this project, how things are connected. This one is your piezoelectric sensor. Then we have LED here. Okay, so this will be on the sole like this. Below you can use, and we have this battery here. Okay, which will give output, which will be charged from these piezoelectric sensors, and LEDs here. So piezoelectric is charging this. You can see. Okay. Now, if you turn this on, this will be on, and we can show one phone is charging. Just connect one charger here. Like this. Okay, so once I connect this, it should show that phone is charging. See? Okay. Okay, like this. This is showing charging. Okay. Same way, other components can also be charged, like fan also can be used here. Okay. And for more details about the project, please check description. And similar type of project we have for this project can be used for like science project, exhibition project, your college project, diploma project. Okay, please check description for more details. And thank you guys for watching the video. So we have to connect all these things in parallel. Some connections can be in series also if you want more voltage. Then we have this LED. Okay, it will glow. Then we have 1N4007 diode. It will let the current flow in only one direction. Otherwise, this battery will let this LED to glow. Okay. Then we have 8 volt here in total because they are connected in series. Then we have input 6 to 36 volt. It will always give 5 volt if input is, right now we are giving 8 volt, so it is in between 6 and 36, so it will give 5 volt. Why 5 volt? Because we need 5 volts. That's why we have used 7805. It will give 5 volt here. LED is here so that we can see, yes, power is generated. Then resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Why? Because through the formula V is equal to IR, we have calculated that R should be 1 kilo ohm, so that LED should get 5 milliampere current, so it won't get burned. And these are capacitors to smooth the circuit input and output. So this is the output. So we tap here, LED will glow. Then 7805 supply is here, and 4 volt 2 batteries to give 8 volt, and 7805 will give 5 volt, and this C port we will get 5 volt here. And also fan can be used in the project, like if person is getting heat, so we can make the fan on. That also can be added.
Hello everyone, we are from Zara Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. Zara Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.